What's the meaning of astrometry? Astrometry. Astrometry.
Astrometry. Astrometry. Astrometry refers to the precise measurement of the positions and movements of celestial objects. This involves using advanced equipment, such as telescopes and cameras, to capture images of the night sky and then analyzing these images to determine the exact coordinates of stars, galaxies, and other objects. The measurements obtained through astrometry can help astronomers better understand the structure and dynamics of the universe, including how stars and galaxies form and evolve over time. Astrometry also plays a critical role in space navigation and exploration, allowing spacecraft to accurately navigate their way through the solar system and beyond.